Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today we're going to do another tool review. This is a Tuff 8-inch straight blade draw knife. And recently I've been taking the bark off logs for I'm trying to stockpile some slabs to work on later and dry them out. So I was originally peeling them just with a hammer and what else was I using? I was using basically like a nail. I was using a nail puller and a hammer to scrape off the block. But recently, I bought this 8-inch straight blade knife on Amazon, Tuff, and we're gonna open this and give it a try. So let's get to it. Pretty simple tool. It had some good stars on it, so you basically just grab it like that and pull it towards you, and it's got a nice chisel. Made in China. That's disappointing. America really needs to get back to making stuff. Anyway, let's go outside. We'll try this out, and I'll tell you what I think. Right off the bat, it feels good in your hand. It's not too wide. It's a good size. So what are my thoughts on the Tuff draw knife? I think it's a lot better than what I was using before, which is a hammer and chisel and scraping it off. This thing worked really well. It's not that sharp. I mean, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sharpen it. So it didn't come very sharp, but that doesn't mean you can't get it sharp. I wish it was made in the USA, but it's made in China, and I'll post the price of it. I got this on Amazon. I'll also post the link. Anyway, it turned out it worked really well, and I'm glad I have it. It'll be a good addition to working with logs. And thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, hit the bell, and I will see you next time. Later.